we go. It's volcano time. So we made it. The volcanoes tour starts here. Just hopping off the bus. Hola, no, gracias. So just waiting to get our tickets. It's 50 Gonzales, and then we can make our way up the mountain. So not long now. Gracias. What's that?
What is your country, babe?
England and America. Let's go. See?
Momento.
Yeah.
I need a break.
Already, yeah. Exhausted.
I'm done.
Okay, we start walking from this point. The village is called San Francisco. Okay, San Francisco es el nombre del pueblo. Altitud 1900 metros. Height is 1900 meters. In here. But today from here we can see one river, the lava come down into this point. We don't go close, okay? Because it's too dangerous, because the rocks come very fast. We're going to this point, and in this point we can stay 8 minutes and we see the lava increase, okay? And maybe in this point, if you want, we can roast the marshmallows in the hot place. Or we have second option, human sacrifice. Which people? Which people? No, not the guys.
We need you.
So, gracias. The walk begin. Hour and 40 minutes. Should be an interesting walk. See how steep it gets. And then we're promised to see lava as well. So, fingers crossed. 5 minutes in, I'm knackered already. We have the first sight of Pacaya.
You can
See it just about erupting. Oh, how you doing, Kim? Tired already?
Yeah.
Keep going.
So steep.
We're only 10 minutes in.
We can go back now.
Yeah? Let's keep going. You got this. First rest stop. Don't think we're going to need it. Just power through. Not even close to the top, and look at that. Break time. Starting to lose some light now, it's getting dark. So, that means we should definitely see some lava. Halfway point. You ready to do the second half?
In a minute. A long minute.
That's the first look at this plume of smoke coming from the volcano. It's crazy. Look at that. I thought it was a cloud. It's almost there. Oh yeah, we're reaching something. It's gonna be a good view from here. Check that out. Unreal. What a view. We made it. That behind us is Pacaya.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
That was bad. That was bad. It's currently erupting. There's volcanic rocks coming down. Hopefully we're going to get a chance to keep the marshmallows there. So. Yeah. Where are we going now? It's just the marshmallow part? Yeah. Awesome. This is it. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. Yeah, not a volcano. Just want to eat marshmallows. Oh, that's Guatemala City? Oh, wow. That close. This is like outrageous views right now. Look at that. Not every day you get to walk alongside a volcano.
Until tomorrow.
True story. Yeah. Yeah, can't be another volcano tomorrow. Gotta love Guatemala. Okay, so that's not good news, and we're heading straight for it. Lovely.
All for the marshmallows.
Hopefully we don't get hit by lava right now. Seems really safe. Straight downhill. I think I'm going a little bit too fast. First piece of volcanic rock that I found at my feet. Lovely. Don't need that though. So that is a field of just volcanic rock which basically just spews out the top. And almost went down. Still didn't know, I told you I would. So apparently we're running. That's how you get down a volcano. This is epic. Definitely bucket list item. Ridiculous. 2014?
The black one? That is new one for 5 months ago.
5 months ago. Wow. Right. So that's when it does a major eruption, or? Oh, wow. Yeah, see. One more time. Oh, that's hot. That's some seriously hot rocks. No, I held them way too long. That's awesome. How warm is it?
Oh, it feels like a nice
It's crazy, isn't it?
How is it, Mike?
Campfire.
Yeah.
I'm devastated. No, ya tengo uno.
First ever marshmallow from volcano.
Will you take a picture of me?
Oh yeah, it's roughly melted. So it wasn't melted, look at that. It's actually pretty good.
Marshmallow roasted by volcanic ash and lava. Hot. Not bad.
That's it, guys. We are heading back up now, but that was absolutely epic. Bucket list ticked off. As you see, the volcano is still in the background. And now we make our way back up to the top. Hopefully the clouds are gone so we can take some good photos. Build the rock field. And then Kim.
Little slid down the mountain.
I'm speechless. Mainly because I'm out of breath, but also because that was one of the best things I've ever done. That was simply unbelievable. Quite a hike, but well worth it. And again, we're about to hit the peak. We'll check out some views.
Okay.
Call myself a friend. I'm gonna call him Ash. It's appropriate right now.
Oh.
Good. I can't leave one without the other. On the way down, almost there. That. It's getting dark. Almost there, almost on the way down. Just made it before sunset. It's really pitch black in a minute. First sight of lava. It's not much, but I'll take it. So cool. And there is the end, and the end of our tour. We made it. I think it was what, an hour and a half up? About an hour down. Unbelievable. Thank you so much, appreciate it. We've had the best tour up to Pacaya. This guy who took us up, my man, and it was absolutely unbelievable. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Appreciate it. Thank you.